Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure the voltage from this battery in this case. And now we are going to know if this battery has enough energy. How I know that? Measure the voltage inside this battery using this digital multimeter. This is very easy. The first step is watch the connection. These are the test probe, and the negative or the black connect here in cone, and the positive or the red connect here. This is the correct connection. Now turn on here the digital multimeter. Now choose here the mode. In this case, we are going to measure voltage from this battery. This means the voltage is inside this battery. Means we are going to measure the voltage directly from inside this battery. Therefore, this means we must choose direct current voltage mode. This mode is inside this white line. This means these are levels of voltage or the limit of voltage. If we read here on the battery, let me see on the battery how many volts must have this battery. In this case, 1.5 volts. Okay, now with that information I can choose the level of voltage. In this case, we are going to choose 20 volts. Ready. Now our digital multimeter is ready. The last step is connect this to the battery. Let me see. The negative is this, and the positive is this side. Now touch here and touch here, and watch on the digital multimeter screen in this case. In this case, we are watching on the digital multimeter screen 1.61 volts. This means this number is higher than 1.50 volts. This means this battery has enough energy, is full of charge in this case, because the number of volts that we are watching on the digital multimeter screen is higher than 1.5 volts or 1.50 volts. If you do this test with a battery like this and the number on the digital multimeter screen is below of 1.5 volts, in that case the battery needs to replace or charge if the battery allows charge. But in this case, this battery is full of charge. This means we can use this battery because has enough energy in this case. And in this way, we can measure the voltage from a battery like this. For now, if the battery has enough energy using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, give me a like, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.